Welcome! Today, we'll guide you through the updated steps on how to log in to your Gmail account using your Android device. Whether you're setting up a new account or just need to add another one, it's quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, locate and open the Gmail app on your Android device. If you don't have the app installed, you can find it in the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture, or a placeholder if you haven't added one yet. Tap on that profile picture to proceed. Now, a menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Add Another Account. This will guide you to the next step. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to add. Select Google from the list. This is important as it ensures you're logging in to a Gmail account. After you've chosen Google, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your email address. Take a moment to make sure it's correct. Then tap Next to move forward. Now, it's time to enter your password. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There will be options available to help you reset it. If you don't have any issues, just enter your password and tap Next again. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps to ensure your account's security. This might include a two-step verification if you have that set up. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Gmail account and ready to start emailing. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.